This is problem number 23 on the UALR final exam review for the college algebra class. We're asked to use a graphing utility to graph the quadratic function. We got f of x equals negative 2x squared plus 10x. We see the graphs, and we know right now when we go to our calculator, we're going to make our window look like this, so our graph will match this. So if I can find, I'm not sure why this is doing this. If I can find my I guess I lost my calculator. Let me minimize this and come back over here and open up the calculator app. So I want to set my viewing window, my x min at negative 30, my x max at 30, my y min at negative 30, and my y max at 30 so that I can match this. Then we'll go to y equals and we'll type in the function. Let's see here. There it is, negative 2x squared plus 10x. Let's go ahead and clear this first. Negative 2x squared plus 10x. Then we're going to hit graph. And we can see that it's not this graph. We can see that it's not this graph or this graph. So this is the one it looks most like, so we're going to make that our answer. Then it asks us to find the x-intercepts of the graph and compare them with the solutions of the corresponding quadratic equation when f of x equals 0. So if we set f of x equal to 0, the x-intercepts are going to be the solutions to that equation. So we're going to go back to our calculator, find the x-intercepts. If we look at this, and we do show you how to find the x-intercepts on the calculator. We're going to do second trace 0. X-intercepts on the calculator are where the y value is 0. So it's asking us for left bound, like we did with the minimum. We're going to make our move to the left. We're going to look for where this x-intercept is first. We're going to set the left bound on the left side. And it asks us for a right bound, so we're going to move to the right side of where it crosses the x-axis. And we're going to hit enter, and then it's going to ask us to guess. We're going to enter. And so the point 0, 0 is the solution. So when we go down here to our answers, f of x is the point 0, 0. Then the larger x value, we're going to go to the calculator and find the other x-intercept right here. So we're going to again do second trace 0. That's where the x-intercepts are on the calculator. It says left bound. I'm going to move to the right some now. We don't have to get as close as we can, but we need to make sure we're on the left side of that. Kind of careful about getting a little bit close to it, but we don't have to be right on top of it. So I'm going to set my left bound here. Then the right bound, we're going to move to the right side, make sure we're there. Hit enter, tell it to guess, and that's going to be the point 5, 0. So we're going to come down here, and our second solution is going to be at the point 5, 0. And that's how you do number 23 on the final exam.